Hey crypto crew! Let's face it, the world of crypto can feel like a whole new galaxy. New lingo, new platforms, and a million ways to get involved. But fear not, space cadets. Today we're tackling a common question for new crypto explorers. Can you fund your Gemini account with a trusty wire transfer? Now, if you're a seasoned crypto voyager, this might seem like a basic question. But for those just setting up their Gemini launchpad, it can be a real head-scratcher. So, buckle up and get ready for a smooth liftoff into the world of Gemini wire transfers. Why wires? Before diving into the nitty-gritty, let's explore why a wire transfer might be your launch fuel of choice. Maybe you're dealing with a larger sum you want to invest. Perhaps you prefer the speed and security of a wire transfer compared to other deposit methods. Or maybe you're just a fan of old-school banking methods. Hey, no judgment here. Whatever your reason, knowing if Gemini accepts wire transfers is a crucial first step. The good news. Alright, aspiring astronauts, here's the good news. Gemini does indeed accept wire transfers. This opens the door for a potentially faster and more secure way to fund your crypto adventures. Preparing for launch. Now, before you hit warp speed and send that wire, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Think of it as pre-flight checks on your rocket, essential for a successful mission. Firstly, you'll need to make sure your bank account is linked and registered with your Gemini account. This is a crucial step, as Gemini can only accept wire transfers from a linked account. Think of it like double-checking you have the right fuel for your spaceship. Wrong fuel, wrong destination. Mission critical, account match. Here's another critical detail. The name on your bank account must match exactly with the name on your Gemini account. No funny business here. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized transfers. Imagine trying to launch a rocket with the wrong pilot. It's a recipe for disaster. Warp speed deposits. Now for the exciting part, speed. Wire transfers are generally considered one of the fastest ways to fund your Gemini account. Funds can be available for trading and withdrawal almost immediately once they're received. That's like fueling your rocket and being ready to launch in a matter of seconds, perfect for those who want to jump right into the crypto action. Mind the fees. While wire transfers offer speed and security, there's one factor to consider: fees. It's important to check with your bank, as they may charge a fee for outgoing wire transfers. Gemini itself doesn't charge any fees for receiving wire transfers, but that doesn't mean your bank won't. Do your research and factor in any potential fees before setting your launch controls. Mission complete. So, there you have it, Space Cadets. With a linked bank account, a matching name, and an awareness of potential fees, you can use wire transfers to fuel your Gemini adventures. Remember, always do your own research and stay informed about any Gemini policy changes. Happy trading! With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading, and remember, always keep your crypto journey safe and secure.